Hi Cooking Cronies. Today I'm making my own chicharrones. Since I've got a pot of beans cooking for tonight, I thought I would make fresh chicharrones to go with it. So I did buy the pork fat from Albertsons the other day, and I froze it because I wasn't sure when I was going to use it. So today's the day. So I took it out and I chopped it into bit-sized pieces, and now I have it in one of my big pots and basically rendering it and cooking it slow. I'm going to season it with some cumin and salt and pepper, and then just let it cook slow till it crisps up. So this is what it looks like in my pot, and I'll keep you posted on how this process is going. Well, let's take a look. It's been about an hour. Oh, those are looking so good. So good. Give them a stir here. Whew, hot. I think just a few more minutes, and then I will take them out and place them on a paper towel to drain. Gosh, these are going to be delicious for dinner tonight with my beans. Yummy. Let me show you those. Look at that. And then I'll make fried potatoes. Oh, maybe. Or some vermicelli. Anyway, it'll be delicious.